Hi, I'm Kerry from Hydro Engineering. We're here today to tell you about the Autoblaster automatic reclaiming system. First, I want to take you around the machine and explain what all the components are. The water outlet is right here. This can be directed to a sanitary sewer or through filtration systems that we can provide. The sink pan here collects the water. The high-level float controls the hydraulic power system at the other end, and we'll get to that. This is the conveyor that moves your screen through the cleaning system. This is a light box that allows you to inspect the screen once it's come through. This is a power ventilation system which removes the mist from the room. You just simply take a 4-inch hose and direct that outside of the room. Over on this side, we have the control box. It has on-off switch. It's just that simple. Turn the system on, the conveyor starts running. You start running your screens through. When you're done, you hit the off button, just as simple as that. This is a 110-volt power plug, which you plug into the wall. That powers the conveyor, the fan, extracting the mist, and the light box. This is a 24-volt connection between the Autoblaster and the hydraulic power system. Simply plugs in to a receptacle provided at the other end. Coming over here, this is the hydraulic power system, which has a pressure gauge which will read 3,000 psi when it's in use, a disconnect so you can lock out, tag out the device, an hour meter so you can keep track of maintenance intervals, and this is the connection for the 24-volt control from the Autoblaster that we've talked about. On the back of the unit, we have 3 simple connections. This is a conduit that we've run for you so your certified electrician can pull the wires into the control box up front. It runs on either 208 single or 3-phase. Depends on how you order it, so make sure you're ordering the power that you have. This is the high pressure connection between the hydraulic power system and the Autoblaster using this hose. This is your water coming in. Now, a special note here. This is a 3/4 inch line. Do not downsize it. If this machine doesn't get enough water, then it may damage the hydraulic power system and certainly affect how well the system operates. One more connection on the back of the machine. This is where the high pressure line is connected from the hydraulic power system to the Autoblaster. Any questions, give us a call and we'll walk you through it. Thank you for buying an Autoblaster.